Now let's review this figure 21-61, and this figure is illustrating how to determine the Class 1 Zone 2 location in accordance with 505.5B3. Now notice again the Zone 2, you have the, would be outlined, and you can see in the illustration where the Zone 2 is located. Now to get a good feel for this and the bolt and nuts that would help you here, again, look at the ANSI standard 679-10-1, and you can pick up that information. But notice it's there for a short period of time only. So estimating that by the standard that we just quoted, you would pick it up that it's operating there say less than 100 hours, but 10 hours or more, then it would be classified based upon the vapor being there for a short period of time, or the gas, or whatever it may be. And again, you see that inside the tank, zone 0. Outside the tank, vertically and horizontally, would be zone 1. And then the grayed area that you see there is going to be considered a zone 2. So you can get a good feel by this illustration what this section 505.5B3 requirements are, and then go to the ANSI standard 679-10-1, and you'll have the bolts and nuts listed there that will serve as a great aid in making this classification. But that's basically what the illustration is illustrating. This figure 21-61 is just illustrating a Class 1 Zone 2 location and where it's located and how to determine it when the person is using the NEC to determine such.